Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make my favorite quesadillas. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need flour tortillas, Queso Oaxaca, 2 pounds of beef cubes fine diced, a quarter of a chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, sour cream, guacamole, salt, and black pepper. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by setting our frying pan to medium-high heat. We're going to throw in our meat. We're going to throw in all of our seasonings. Along with salt and pepper. So we're just going to combine everything together and we're going to begin to cook our meat. So we're just going to brown our meat. Alright, so now we're going to cook our onion and minced garlic. So just move it all around, mix it together. We're just going to cook it for about 3-5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 3 minutes, our delicious meat is done. So now we are ready to make our quesadillas. Alright guys, so my comal I'm going to set on medium-high heat. I'm going to brush some oil. I'm going to place my tortilla. And start adding my cheese on top of my tortilla. And I love cheese. So for me, the more, the better. Alright, so I'm just going to wait for the cheese to melt and then we're going to add our meat. Alright, so once you see that your cheese is beginning to melt, start placing your meat on top of it. And our meat is still hot, so it's going to help the cheese melt. Now we're going to close it and just wait for that to finish melting. Alright, so once you see that your cheese is completely melted, we're going to remove it from the comal, and now we are ready to layer it. Okay, so we're going to open it. Ooh, look at that. And add your guacamole. And let me tell you, that smells delicious. Now sour cream. Okay, that's good for me. So let's close it. Alright, so now I'm just going to cut it in half. So crunchy. And ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
The taste.
You ready? Cheers. How is it? Super delicious. Let me tell you that they're super easy to make. 10 minutes. There you go. You can have a delicious quesadilla. You don't have to wait for the meat to marinate. It's full of flavor. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. Your kids are going to like it and everybody's going to be happy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious quesadillas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres